In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add bank transactions on QuickBooks. If a transaction didn't come through your bank feed or you're catching up on records, this quick workflow will help you add it accurately so your books stay complete and clean. First, head into QuickBooks and open your company. This process works best when you already know the basics of the transaction you're adding, like the date, the amount, the bank account it belongs to, and who it was paid to or received from. Manual entries are especially helpful if your bank connection isn't set up yet, a transaction is missing from the feed, or you paid something in cash and need to record it. Once you're in, go to Expenses and Pay Bills. From there, choose Expense Transactions to land on the main expense page. This is where you'll see the activity related to spending. It's a good idea to glance at your filters and date range so you don't accidentally create a duplicate of something that already exists. If you manage multiple bank accounts, keep an eye on which account you plan to post to. Picking the correct payment account later ensures the right bank register is updated. You can also use this view to search for an existing item first, just to be safe. Now click New Transaction and choose the transaction type you want to add. For most outgoing payments made with a card, ACH, or cash, select Expense. If it was written as a paper check, choose Check. If you received money, use Bank Deposit. And if you moved money between accounts, pick Transfer. Once you've selected the type, fill out the key fields carefully. Choose the payee or customer if applicable. Select the bank account the money came from or went to, enter the date exactly as it happened, and add the amount. Use the category field to map the transaction to the correct account, like office supplies, utilities, or sales. If you track items, you can add products or services instead. Add a memo for context and attach a receipt or supporting document if you have one. This makes reviews and audits much easier. When everything looks right, save your transaction. You should now see it appear in the expense transactions list and reflected in the bank register for the account you chose. Repeat this process for any other missing entries. Keeping dates, categories, and accounts consistent will make your reports accurate and your monthly close smoother. That's it. Simple, precise, and ready for your records.